This video is sponsored by the brand Nuwave. So I got the portable cooktop burner from Nuwave. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase and then a quick guide on how to use this, exactly what to expect when your burner arrives. But here's what you get. There really isn't much to it. It comes fully assembled, so you can get the burner itself, and then they do give you prongs, which is really nice. They attach right to the burner, so when you are cooking, you can get an internal temperature of what your food is, and that's really convenient right on here. And they're going to give you just a little holder for these prongs. When you are cooking, you can put this onto your pot or whatever. But what I'm going to do now is bring the camera around here so you can get kind of a close-up view of this. I'll show you the different settings and how it works. Okay, so now that I got the phone closer, we can go over some of the different features of it, but it's really easy to use. Obviously, you just got to plug in and turn it on, and it'll start working for you. Under here is going to be all the different temperatures, so it can go from 100, which would be your low, all the way up to 500, and then in between it goes in increments of 100, so you can get kind of whatever heat you want. Another really cool thing about this is there's presets on here, so they have a couple of their own. Otherwise, you can make up to 45 presets of your own. So whatever you have in your recipe book, you can have that all set. So once you get it programmed in, you can just click it and it'll go right to the temperature you need. And like I said, this probe right here, how you use it, super easy. You plug it in, and all you gotta do is press the button there. Take it in there, and it'll show you what your internal temperature is right on this. So it's super, super convenient. So overall, this is a perfect, portable cooktop. This can work for a variety of different things. And they actually do give you a full kind of cookbook here, and you can actually scan a code, and they got a bunch of recipes for you. So they tell you all the temperatures you want, what your internal temperature be. So for whatever you're going to cook, they're going to kind of guide you to help you out. Otherwise, feel free to do anything you want with this. It does its job exactly as it should. Virtually no setup, which I love. I give it 2 thumbs up.